Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to delete the Google history. So you can do that from your mobile or from your computer because it has to do with your Google account, and the same account can be used on your computer and on your phone, so you can delete it from either your phone or from your computer. I'm going to delete the Google history using my phone in this video. So as you can see, we have this Google app. If I just open it up, and then you can see this search box. If I tap on it, then you can see we have all the search history that I have searched in the past. Now there are many ways to delete this search history. Now the first way is by this search bar. If you just tap on this search bar and then keep scrolling down, then you can find this option, manage history. If you tap on it, then using this option you can delete the search history. This is the first way. Now the second way is by tapping here on your account icon like this, and then from here your search history, this option will be visible. In case this option is not visible, then you can tap here on this arrow icon. It will show all the email IDs that are active on your phone, and then after that the search history, this option will be visible, so you can just tap on that. Now here there are two things that you should do. The first is you can delete your web and app activity, that is the search history. Then the second thing is to turn on this auto delete feature. We will see them one by one. So let's first delete the search history. So for that you'll have to tap here on saving to web and app activity. So from here you can see the web and the app activity is being saved on your Google account. So we can just let it be like that, and you can tap here manage all web and app activity. Scroll down till you find this option, filter by date and product, and on the right side we have this delete button. Just tap on it. Now you have the option to delete your search options. Now either you can delete it for the last hour or for the last day or for always. So I'll just tap here on always, and then you can select the products for which you want to delete the activities. And the search history is included in the activities because you might be searching for different terms on different apps of Google. Like for example, you might be making search on Google Play Store, or you might be making some searches on Google Chrome. So in this way we can delete all the search history from all the Google apps. And also if you want to save the search history for some of the apps, like you want to save the search history for maps, then you can just tap it like this and untick it. And then once you're done with that, then you can just tap here on next. I'll just delete, and everything is deleted now. The activity that you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. So that's all. You can just tap on OK. Now the next thing is you can tap here on auto delete. It is turned off for now, but you can turn it on so that Google automatically keeps deleting your search history and other activity details which are being saved in your Google account. So let's turn this on, and you can also change this duration. So for example, 18 months is 1.5 year, 3 months, and then 36 months, that is 3 year. So I'll just make it 3 year for now, and then I'll just tap here on next. So once activity is older than 36 months, it will be deleted automatically. We can click here on preview more, and then you will be able to see everything in detail. And then finally you can just tap here on confirm. Alright, and then your preference will be saved. So in this way you will be able to delete your activities according to the timeline that you set, and accordingly your activities from all the Google apps will be deleted automatically. So you will not have to delete the Google history over and over again. So anyways, that's all for this video. I hope you were able to clear your Google search history or the Google activities on different applications of Google. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video, so don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.